Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 12th of July. Theresa May to be Britain's next Prime Minister. With Andrea Leadsom unexpectedly pulling out of the Conservative Party race yesterday, Theresa May is set to become Britain's next Prime Minister and the person who will negotiate the terms of the UK leaving the EU. The pound surged on this news on Monday, with David Cameron announcing that May will replace him as early as Wednesday. This helped to dispel some of the political uncertainty weighed on the nation's outlook, as market participants previously expected a fierce of two-month leadership contest before a new Prime Minister was officially chosen. Importantly, May repeated yesterday that Brexit means Brexit and ruled out a second referendum or general elections. The question now becomes when she will choose to trigger Article 50 and formally begin the procedure of leaving the EU, a process that she previously anticipated to start by year-end. Even if the GBP-positive reaction is extended when May announces her cabinet as early as tomorrow, we maintain the view that the overall outlook of the pound remains negative. We believe that soft post-referendum data and policy easing by the Bank of England are likely to bring the currency under renewed selling pressure in the foreseeable future. As for today's events, Germany's final CPI for June has already been released and confirmed its preliminary estimate. From Sweden, we get CPI data for June. Both the headline and the CPIF rates are expected to have risen notably. Given that following the Brexit vote, expectations for near-term easing by the Riksbank surged, accelerating inflation could lower the likelihood for a rate cut this year and thereby support SEK. In the UK, the Bank of England will release the minutes of the latest Financial Policy Committee meeting, where officials lowered banks' capital requirements in an effort to boost lending to businesses and households. Given that even at the announcement of these measures, the reaction in the pound remained limited, we expect a muted reaction at the release of the minutes as well. From the US, we get the job opening and labor turnover survey, the JOLTS report for May, and expectations are for a decline in the number of job openings. Nevertheless, given that the dismal employment report for May already showed that the labor market underperformed during the month, we doubt that any modest decline in JOLTS will be a surprise to investors. Thus, any reaction in the dollar may remain limited. We have two Fed speakers scheduled for today, St. Louis President James Bullard and Board Governor Daniel Tarullo. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.